finally had a chance to get away, so we took the train to Portimão to see some famous sights.
You say anything? No, it's a picture.
While we waited for our boat tour, we discovered a new sport.
Ever heard of kayak ball?
We had some time to kill before the tour, so we walked along the waterfront and watched the birds. These are some huge stork nests. Finally, it was time for the views we'd been waiting for on the southern coast of Portugal, known as the Algarve. So we headed out, passing lighthouses, forts used to protect against pirates, and ports full of sailboats. When we reached the Algarve cliffs, the views did not disappoint. The stunning golden limestone sea cliffs set against the turquoise blue water was truly breathtaking. These are the Praia da Rocha cliffs, meaning rock beach, the first large golden cliffs which mark the beginning of the dramatic limestone coastline that continues for dozens of miles. Next we came to the place where the cliffs start forming arches and small caves at sea level. Next are the tall freestanding rock pillars called sea stacks. There were thousands of seabirds making their homes in these cliffs. There are so many little caves, grottos, arches, and isolated sea stacks along this coastline, carved out by years of wind, waves, and rain, that it is one of the most photographed coastal areas in Portugal. We got up close and personal with a few of the bigger caves, and the height of the cliffs was truly amazing to see up close. These are the lighthouse cliffs, with a white lighthouse sitting dramatically atop them. This area has deeper caves and tunnels carved by the waves. We arrived at the most famous cave on the Algarve, the Benagil Cave, which is not only a cave, but has a huge circular skylight in the roof where sunlight beams down onto the sand inside. This is caused by the water erosion causing a sinkhole to open up. We couldn't exactly go inside on the boat, but you could still see all the colorful layers of rock. This is the same cave from the other side. This formation is called the elephant because of its shape. After taking in all these breathtaking views, we headed back along the same coast in reverse and a bit faster. After the boat tour, we went to explore the cliffs from the opposite angle on foot. This area is called Algar Seco, which means dry algae. That's me way up there. Doesn't look like I'm too high in the picture, but it was definitely a scary climb. It is famous for its walkable sea cliffs, cave windows overlooking the ocean, and some of the Algarve's most unusual rock formations. We had a great time exploring all the nooks and crannies of this fascinating group of rocks in the town of Carvoeiro, which resembles a lunar landscape.
This is so cool.
The limestone cliffs are filled with fossils of marine life as far back as 24 million years ago. There are sweeping views from every angle and lots of little rock pools, caves, and balconies over the sea, all created by erosion. This famous pair of windows are within a small cave called A Boneca, meaning the doll. It was given this name because it's inside the pinnacle that once resembled a doll and is the perfect place to look out on the sparkling turquoise water. Keep an eye out for next week's vlog to find out which Algarve town we explored next. More stunning beaches and breathtaking views await.